Do you want to declutter your home to make some money, but don't want to download an extra app? There's an easy solution. You can sell your stuff via Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace allows you to post items, vehicles for sale, a rental property, or even a job for hire, either in the Facebook app or from your computer. Here's how it works. Click the Marketplace icon from your Facebook homepage or go directly to facebook.com/marketplace. Then, click Create Listing and choose the category your post belongs in. Fill in the details, including the category, price, location, description, and pictures of the item. If you don't know how to price an item, check out the competition to see what they're asking. Keep in mind that people are likely to offer you less than your asking price. You may want to clean up the item before taking any photos to make it more appealing to buyers. Now you just have to wait for interested buyers. Waiting can be hard, and we didn't get any messages for a day and a half after posting our item. You can boost your post on Facebook Marketplace by making it an ad. You just set your budget, the amount of time you want the ad to run, then pay Facebook to boost your listing. You can also widen the area where you want to sell or join local exchange groups to post your item in as well. Facebook doesn't take a fee from your sale the same way that eBay does, but you do have to arrange the transaction yourself. Facebook recommends PayPal or another person-to-person payment method like Venmo or Cash App for your transaction. Safety is another thing to consider when selling an item. Completing the transaction in a public area with lots of people is recommended. Facebook also has tips for safely buying and selling items on their marketplace, and we'll link to that in the description below. Once you sell your item, mark it sold so that people know it's no longer available. Listing your item on multiple platforms like Letgo, Craigslist, and OfferUp give you a better chance of selling your item quickly. Have you used Facebook Marketplace or another platform to sell your stuff? Let us know in the comments below. And find more ways to make money at Clark.com.